When people hear Iron Dome, they imagine an invisible shield, catching rockets mid-air, protecting lives. But what if the threats coming next aren't the kind you can catch? From hypersonic missiles to UAV swarms, we're entering a new era of warfare, and Israel's layered defense system may not be as invincible as it seems. Israel's defense network is legendary. Iron Dome stops short-range rockets. David Sling handles medium threats. Arrow 3 is 4 ballistic missiles from afar. It's a multi-layered system, fast, reactive, and AI. But these systems were designed for traditional arcs, predictable angles, easy radar locks. The battlefield is changing fast. Enter the FATAH to hypersonic missile, Iran's alleged second-generation glide vehicle. It travels at speeds over Mach 15 and can change course mid-air, diving and twisting as it approaches. That means radar sees it too late. AI struggles to predict its path, and interception algorithms simply can't keep up. Even systems like Arrow 3 were not built to stop hypersonic glide vehicles. This isn't just a speed issue, it's about unpredictability. But it doesn't stop with hypersonics. Imagine 100 small UAVs launched at once, swarming radar systems from different angles. That's not science fiction, it's a real tactic. Low-cost drones can confuse air defense systems, trigger false alarms, and burn up resources like interceptor missiles. One drone may not do damage. 100, that's chaos. And while Iron Dome is fast, it's not infinite. So, is Israel defenseless? Not quite. They're already working on new systems. Skysonic, a hypersonic interceptor. Laser defense, tech like Iron Beam, AI upgrades to radar prediction. But most of these systems are still in development, and in the real world, defense is a race against innovation. One missed update could be catastrophic. So what does all this mean? It means speed has become invisible. It means war is no longer about firepower. It's about timing and tech, and it means the next missile won't knock. It'll hit before anyone even knows it was launched. Israel's defenses are among the best in the world, but warfare is evolving. And fast. If you want to understand the future of military technology, you have to stop thinking for hours and start thinking in seconds.